Today I am going to show you the sundial. Sundial means time machine for calculating the time. There are many sundials in the world, but I am going to show you that sundial which was constructed by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh in 18th century, 300 years ago. And it's really very beautiful and remarkable sundial. So now we are going to see where is the sundial. Was developed time to time. As the recorded history, astronomy is ancient science, grew from China, then Egyptians, Roman, Greek, and after Greek, actually it came to the India. Aryabhat, Varamihir, Bhaskara, Acharya, they were between 5 to 8 centuries, and then Arabs 9th century, and then Europe. It was peak period in Europe. Johannes Kepler, Copernicus, Galileo, and in Greek there were many astronomers like if you know Pythagoras, Thales, Ptolemy Alexandria. So time to time they developed this science and they developed the time calculation. One observatory was in the Samarkand, was very big, very huge sundial. In Greek, in Egypt, in Europe, there is Greenwich Observatory on the hill. And after that, King Savai Jai Singh constructed the 5 observatories in India. One in Delhi, 1724. Then Mathura, Benares, Ujjain, and Jaipur Jantar Mantar. So today I am sitting here very inside of this Jaipur Jantar Mantar, and I am going to see where is that sundial. Today I explain you, I will show you the sundial and how this sundial works. So now we are going to see, there are many instruments, but where is sundial? This is a very beautiful temple of Lord Hanuman, Veer Bajrang Bali. Hanuman, that is actually god of power. So first I pray of Lord Hanuman, for good wishes. I worship. Thanks God. And now we are going to see here beautiful view. रोक दे मैं जा. So this is Jaipur Jantar Mantar Astronomical Observatory. And I search where is sundial. Oh my God, there are many instruments. So many instruments are there. Oh, very beautiful place is this. Jaipur Jantar Mantar is very beautiful. So beautiful and very complicated also. So now we are going to see the sundial. Today is very good morning, but still that is a little bit foggy because it is month of the November and beginning of winter. Beautiful place, very beautiful. Many instruments, I look there, so many. So friends, I think only sundial is not enough. I have to explain you many instruments because there are so many. This side there is one group of instruments. So actually these are 12 zodiac signs. Oh, very big observatory. Many things are there. What is this? There is no entry. Why no entry? It looks like some cavity there. Very, very interesting place. Oh, this is sundial here. No, actually this is model of the sundial. So when Maharaja Savai Jai Singh started this observatory, first he made experimental instruments. So this is just experimental, and front side, that structure is main sundial. Beautiful place. So now it is in under of state government, Department of Archaeology and Museums. So I think they are always very alert for this observatory. They care always very good, because this observatory is in very good position. Nice observatory. Beautiful observatory. So friends, I hope you will be enjoying by help of my information. Now I am going to show you where is the sundial and how it works. So please look here. This structure, there is sundial. And how it works, I explain you. So you see, this is sundial. This sundial was made by help of red sandstone and white marble stone. White is marble and that is red sandstone. Beautiful structure, so beautiful design. There are many sundials in the world in different designs, but this is so beautiful. So friends, now you see, this is the sundial, and how it works. See this central wall. I show you. Please look here. This central wall, that is geographical north and south. This is stair wall. And why angle is like this? Please look here. There is leveled, flat, 0 degree. But that inclining like this. Why? Because this pointing to the North Pole star there. Why he made it towards North Star? To find out what is latitude of Jaipur. So this angle is 27 degree, which identifying this latitude is 27 degree Jaipur, 26.56. And night time, you keep your eye here, you stay here, look this side through this angle exactly up in the sky, you can see North Pole star there. So it is not only sundial, also it shows you where is the sun, where is the North Pole star. And what is the importance of the pole star? This is navigator star. Night time you see pole star, and then you look up in the sky somewhere left side or right side or up in middle, where is Big Dipper. And two pointer of the Big Dipper You suppose this is the North Pole star here, and the two pointer always points to the pole star. The whole night they changes like this. Evening there. And by the rotation of these pointers and Big Dipper 7 constellations, you can know time at the night. As the earth rotates, that rotation is approximately 24 hour, 23 hour, 56 minutes, 4.9 seconds. Same rotation you have of this Big Dipper. So suppose evening 7 p.m. in winter days, when sunset down there, and you see sometime if the Big Dipper is this side and pointers are here, 7 p.m., then midnight it comes this position here after 6 hours. So 90 degrees from here, 90 degrees, 6 hours. So suppose sometime you see 7 p.m. Big Dipper pointers were there, and now these are here. So that is approximately 45 degrees from here. So if 90 degrees, that is for 6 hours. So 45 degrees, that is 3 hours. So 7 p.m. Big Dipper was here, now it is here. It means now it is 10 p.m. time. So by the location of the Big Dipper at night time in sky, you can find out time. So it is not only daytime, night time, by the pole star you can find out time. And how we can find out time now at daytime? So please look the center wall, left side and right side. These are two equal quadrants, 90 degrees left and same size 90 degree right of this wall. Now please come close and I show you this scale. Please watch down, step. So this is one quadrant. Please look there on top, that is number 6. This is 7 number, that is number 8 here. 9 number is here. And please look here, this distance, this is 1 hour. This 1 hour has been divided by 4 equal parts, that is 15 minutes. 1, 2, 3, it is 5 minutes. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 1 minute. And every minute divided by 3 parts, up to 20 seconds correct time we can calculate by this shadow. Right now the shade is here. But friends, it shows Jaipur local time. Why local time? Because it is local meridian, geographical north, south and shadow coming through the local meridian. So it shows position of the sun in the Jaipur. And in India we have one time, no daylight saving. Although India is 29.5 degree longitude distance from east to west. Suppose this is map of the India, north, south, east, west, Kashmir, Kanyakumari, Bengal, Gujarat. So this distance, that is almost 29.5 degree longitude distance, 2 hour difference of time. But we have one time. So that Indian standard time taken from here. This is center of the India. And this place is Naini, near Mirzapur in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. So this place is 82.5 degree east of Greenwich and 25 degree north of equator. But you see, where is Jaipur? Jaipur is little up also, and here this side also. So Jaipur is 75 degrees east of Greenwich and 27 degree north of equator latitude of Jaipur. So between Naini and Jaipur, according the longitude distance, 7.5 degree, it makes 30 minutes difference. But Earth always rotates. And revolution. So when it makes one rotation, one round, one revolution, So that is duration 365 days, 1 year. So by this revolution, sun position changes from equator 6 months towards south and 6 months towards north. So when sun declination changes between two cities, this difference of time changes. So this is not fixed, there is variation. So minimum difference is 10 minutes today. Maximum difference is 41 minutes. So now we can see here Jaipur local time. Then we have to add 10 minutes for Indian Standard Time. So right now the share is here. That is number 8. Now 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 51, 52. 8:52 share is here. This is now Jaipur local time. 8:52 and plus 10 minutes. So 9:02. Look here. Right now it is 9:02. And this is 8 minutes before 9 and plus 10 minutes. 9:02. It is now Indian Standard Time. So this is sundial of Maharaja Savai Jai Singh, which was constructed in 1734. Almost 300 years ago, and is still working so perfectly. And these are stairs, because sometimes shadow is there on top, so we can climb up there. Now friends, you see this angle here, that is 27 degree. But you see here, this angle, this is also inclining 27 degree. It is not very flat like this. You see here, that is also inclining like this. That is same 27 degree, that side. So night time, if you sit down here and you keep stick somewhere here and keep your eye here, and from here you look up in the sky, so you can see North Pole star there also by help of this angle also. And also we are able to calculate declination angle of sun any day of year. So how it comes? Please you come that side. Please come this side behind of this instrument. Now please see that upper edge, that is graduated by degrees, scales. So please you look here, as I told you there, this angle also is not flat, that is 27 degrees. So you look here, this is zenith position, 0. And from here you see that angle, that is 27 degree. From zenith, this is 27 degree. And you see from here, when you put one big stick and through this line, you look there, it goes up there. So that point on central gnomon, that is the equator line, celestial equator. So 21st March and 23rd of September, when sun is on equator, these 2 days, you come here and you put this stick like this and keep your eye here. And from here, when you look up, you will see 21st March and 23rd September at noon. You keep eye here and from here you look up, you will see right there is sun. Why? Because 2 days in the year, 21st March and 23rd September, that is equinox, and this pointing to the equator and sun is there. But friends, 6 months sun is north of equator and 6 months sun is south of equator. So if you climb up there and you keep one stick there right on the center line, how you come this side, I show you. You look from here please. So you see, from here you see this angle 27 degree, and you suppose there is the 0 point there up, and when we keep a stick there, you see this stick shadow. You see? The shadow coming this side. There. Why? Because today sun is south of the equator. That's why shadow coming this side. It is November month, 9th of November. But 21st March and 23rd September, when you keep a stick here and sun is there on the equator, so the shadow comes exactly here on this edge. And today the shadow getting down, you should look down there on the earth, you see. Today the shade coming that side, somewhere there, you see, somewhere here. So this distance, that is declination of sun. So 6 months sun is northern hemisphere and 6 months sun is southern hemisphere. So for calculating declination angle of sun, we keep a stick there in the center and 6 months shade is that side, 6 months this side, and by same scale we can calculate what degrees sun is south or north from the equator. So please come this side and I show you their scale. Please look here. This is the scale markings. So right center is there. I put my finger, you see, this is the actually center line, 0 degrees there. So when we keep stick there on that 0 degree, and you see shadow direction. So when sun is that side, shadow is this side. When sun is this side, shade comes this side. And 2 days, 21st March and 23rd September, you put a stick there, shadow comes straight. Why? Because sun is on equator. So this shadow moves from here, 23.5 degree and 23.5 degree. 22nd December on the Capricorn line and 21st June on the Cancer line. So this time machine is not only time, also it shows us what is altitude angle of the sun, what is declination angle of sun, and what is latitude of Jaipur, and you can see North Pole star, and you can see time at the night by help of this. So this is really remarkable instruments. So that is the sun dial. And friends, I hope by this information you are enjoying. There are many instruments. One by one, all instruments I will explain you. But please, it is my request, if you like it, if you are enjoying, please subscribe my channel, Khatri Miracles, KHATRIMIRCLE. That is Khatri Miracles. Many information of heavenly bodies I will tell time to time. So I hope you are enjoying. Okay, namaste. Goodbye.